You know, you and I were all birthed under a lie. The lie is that you shall be like God. That means, of course, that every single one of us is a God wannabe. I think we ought to run the church like an AA meeting. Hello, I'm Frank Friedman, and I'm a recovering God wannabe. And everybody would say, yes, we agree. We get people in our office all the time that we have to confront that they're trying to be like God. And they say, oh, no, I'm not. Yeah, you believe you're like God. No, I don't. No, I don't. We have to confront them by saying something like this. Do you think you've got to be right all the time? That's an attribute of God. God's the only one who's right. Do you feel like you've got to be strong? God's the one who's strong. Do you feel like you've got to be in control? God's the one who's in control. Do you feel like you've got to be all-knowing? God's the one who's all-knowing. You see, the truth is, we all believe that we have to be like God, and that's a tremendous role to have to play when you don't have the resources. To try to be right when you're not right, to try to be strong when you aren't strong. And then what happens is, in church, we all end up wearing a mask because we can't reveal who we really are, and we're all trying to play a role that we can never play, and church becomes this incredible drama with a bunch of pretenders. The call for you and I is to renounce the lie that we shall be as God. To renounce that I have to be strong and weak and strong and omnipotent and right and all those kinds of things, and allow myself to become what I really am, which is a weak, frail human being. And you can be who you are, which is a weak and frail human being. And together we can journey into this issue of faith where we trust somebody who's bigger than we are and trust somebody who is in control and find him to be who he is. Let's go on that journey together.